So slice number 5. I want to make it into... You see a difference? I'm turning. This was originally a sound of a glitch, right? I've now taken it, I've reduced the frequency, increased the resonance, I let it fade, transpose it down. And let me see, I have tuner, audio effect, tuner. Maybe I can see what note this is. I'm not seeing the note, but never mind. Don't really need it. I want to bring in now a drum bass. And I see if I can turn this. Let's see whether I have something like a boom in A. Layer with a pump in A. Okay, now that I got this, let me rename it boom. I copy this boom out. I'm going to copy it into my other kit. Copy, drag into the canvas kit, and I click higher up. E3. Why did I put it there? I don't want to override any of the existing ones. So I got this beat, it goes. Where's my booms? Right, so this is the boom.